Welcome to Fact Channels, where today we'll dive into the intriguing world of swarm intelligence. Would you believe ants have traffic rules? They avoid pileups by adjusting their speed and path based on nearby ants, much like cars on a freeway. Ever heard of slime molds solving a maze? These curious organisms can find the shortest path to food by creating efficient networks that mimic human-designed solutions to complex problems. Bees make democracy look easy. When choosing a new hive location, scout bees perform waggle dances to advocate for sites, and the decision comes from consensus, not dictatorship. Fish schools move like magic. Their synchronized swimming is a result of individual decisions based on local interactions, allowing them to avoid predators and improve foraging efficiency. Termites are master architects. Without a blueprint or leader, they build complex mounds with ventilation systems that rival human architecture in energy efficiency. The internet has taken cues from swarm intelligence. Algorithms inspired by ant colonies are used in network routing and optimizing web searches, showing the power of collective problem solving. Birds in murmuration create mesmerizing aerial displays. Thousands of starlings move as one fluid shape, guided by each bird following simple rules based on their nearest neighbors. Without uttering a word, honeybee swarms decide when to swarm and where to go through vibrations and pheromones, a silent symphony of decision-making. Thanks for tuning into Fact Channels. Hit like and subscribe for your daily dose of mind-blowing facts.